I hope you all are well prepared and all set to begin our today's classes. So, are you all eagerly waiting to begin? Yeah. Oh, Mama, now it's class time. I have to sit for studies. It is something like that. I expect that you all might be eagerly waiting for the classes, isn't it? So, morning may you have to wake up early and get ready for the classes. And please, again, I'm just reminding you, sit for your classes in proper school uniform. And whenever you are sharing your videos or if you are sharing any picture, your picture with the work, you should be in proper school uniform. Is that clear? Some of you were doing it but now have started sharing the work in your normal normal house casuals. It is not accepted. What you have to do, you have to wear your proper school uniform, winter uniform, while you are sharing your videos or you are sharing any of the work in which your photograph is there. Understood? Second thing, when it is Wednesday or Friday, you should wear your proper house dress, that is your tracksuits. So today is Wednesday and if you are wearing, it's very good. If not, make it a point that every Wednesday and every Friday you will be wearing your proper house dress, that is your tracksuit for winters. Is that clear to all? Great. Now class, let's begin with our today's classes. So today is 25th November 2020. What is the date? 25th November 2020 and the day is Wednesday. And on Wednesday, we are going to start our classes with English subject, isn't it? So class, in previous English period, I told you that we learned about different double E words, isn't it? The words which were having double E in them. And what I told you कि when these alphabets are repeated, कोई भी alphabet एक साथ repeat होता है, when we write them for 2 times, we call it double. When we write it for 2 times or we write it double, we have to stretch the sound. जो भी sound है वो थोड़ा सा stretch होता है, isn't it? So in that when we were learning about double E sound, we learned about green, then we learned tree, then we did G. Isn't it? वो double E sound है. So today, working on the same concept, I am going to teach you different double O words today. Same pattern रहेगा. Whenever you are spelling the word, जब भी आप किसी word को spell कर रहे हो or you are pronouncing it, so when the double O is coming, you have to stretch the sound. So what is the sound of O? O. O की sound O ही होती है. Like we have orange, we have ostrich, we have orange हो गया, ostrich हो गया, then we have onion. So O की sound क्या होती है? O ही होती है. Clear? So when we are talking about double O words, तो double O में इनकी sound थोड़ा सा extend हो जाएगी. Because we have to say O double, तो थोड़ी सी सिर्फ O. एक होता है O, that is the sound of one O. But when we are saying O, तो थोड़ा सा just a little वो extend होती है because we are writing it for 2 times. Is that clear to everyone? Let's begin doing it. Now there are a lot of pictures here on board. We are going to identify them one by one and after that we'll write their names and then when we are speaking about it we'll see कि जहाँ double O है वहाँ sound stretch हो रही है या नहीं हो रही है. Is that clear? Okay. So let's start doing the work. Now can you tell me what picture is this? Yes, it's a moon. Something that we see in night sky में आता है moon. What do you call it? Moon. Again में थोड़ा सा stretch आया. Moon तो नहीं बोला हमने. Moon तो नहीं किया, हमने बोला moon. थोड़ा सा हमने उसको stretch किया. Why? Because it is a double O. जब हम इसकी spelling लिखेंगे double O आएगा. Now spelling भी आप ही बताएंगे. How? Again with the phonic sound. Starting में हमें क्या sound आई? moon. Isn't it? We'll write n. So we got the word moon. अब आप देखो यहाँ पे डबल ओ है हमारा, तो जो साउंड है ओ की, व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, वो थोड़ा सा लॉन्ग जा रही है। अब अगर हम सिंगल ओ करेंगे, सी अगर हम सिंगल ओ लिखेंगे तो इट विल मुन, बट इट इज मून। डबल ओ में स्ट्रेच हो गई वो साउंड, isn't it? This is the difference. You got it now? Okay, so one is moon. Now can you tell me what is this? The thing which we get from sheep and we use for making woolen clothes. Winters hai, you all might be wearing your woolen clothes. So what is this that we use for making our sweaters, and we get this from sheep? You remember we did yesterday things we get from animals. So yes, what is this? Wool. Yes, wool. समझ में आया? Again, let's make the word wa. So this is the wa. So we got the word wool, isn't it? Okay. Now what is this? My English phonic 2. अब my English phonic 2 क्या है? Can you tell me? अब ये जो my English phonic है, what is this? इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? It's a book. Book, isn't it? So let us make the word again and see. Book, isn't it? Book. Now, something which is made of wood and we sit on it. So what is it? It's a stool. So sa and ta together making the sound st. So let's write that. Stool. So isn't it? हमने जो भी अभी तक words बनाए, the words which we have written of these objects, the name of these objects, we are making them with the sound. This is the only way of writing any spelling. आपको कोई भी spelling लिखनी है, you will never make a mistake when you will write your spellings like this. See, we did moon, wool, book, stool, isn't it? Now what is this? What mama used to clean? जब मम्मा को ड्राई क्लीन कर घर में, not dry clean, when mama has to collect all the you can say the dirt, जब मम्मा को वो ड्राई वाला dirt collect करना होता है, she uses it. What is it? broom, जिसको हम झाड़ू कहते हैं. What we call it? झाड़ू. And झाड़ू को इंग्लिश में बोलेंगे broom. So let's write that. Broom, isn't it? Now one more word. अगर हम ये ब हटा देते हैं, so what we get? room. So what is room? In which you are sitting? एक कमरा, isn't it? हम बोलते हैं bedroom, drawing room, isn't it? Bathroom. So that room, space. Clear? So this is broom. Again, a new word we learned is room. Not new, you might be using it, but today you learned the spelling. Room. Okay, what is this? How we eat our food? Using what? Yes, fork and spoon. Spoon, isn't it? So this is spoon. Got it? Now, wow, something which I like the most. Birthday होता है तो I decorate my house even on my birthday using this. So what is it? It's a balloon. Yes, balloon. So how we'll write? I'll just write it once again. Small. Okay. How we are going to write now? See. Balloon. Again see. ल भी डबल है तो ल की साउंड भी हमें थोड़ा सा स्ट्रेच करनी है. Then we have double O and N. Understood? balloon. तो l और u दोनों ही थोड़ा सा स्ट्रेच होंगे because they both are written twice. Clear everyone? Okay. Now we have a what's it? We did a story last Friday. The one who gives golden eggs. What's that? Goose. Yes, goose. Goose. Isn't it? So how we are going to write? Goose. Goose. Clear? Not only these words, there are lot many other words like we have wood. 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 So what is wood? Wood is lakdi. Wood. Now, where are you wearing your shoes? Shoes हम कहाँ पहनते हैं? Foot. आपके foot में पहनते हो ना? Foot. Foot. Again, it's a double O sound word. Double O word. Foot. Foot. Isn't it? So not only these, there are a lot of words. We'll just do the reading work also in the book. Let us first revise all these words that we have learned. Wood. Wood. Say with me. Wood. Wood. Moon. Wool. Book. Foot. Broom. Room. Spoon. Stool. Then we have balloon. We have goose. A part of these we have food. आप खाना खाते हो, what do you call it? Food. Then boot. So you might have seen जो boots होते हैं, you all might be having जो leg cover करते हैं. So those are called boot. Boot again double OT word है, double O word हो गया. BOOT boot. Then we have yes school, the most important thing. What is this? Where you go for study? School. So how we write that? School. School. Isn't it? Now let's see how where we are going to do our today's work. So class, open your book on page number 82. So book page number 82. So when you will open this book, you are going to do your classwork on it, and homework we are going to draw the pictures and write the name of double O words in notebook. Clear? So let's see how to do our classwork and homework both. Class, now let's see how we are going to do our classwork in book today. So for this you have to open your book on page number 82. When you will open your page number 82, you will find double O word family. ठीक है? So what you have to do first, write down today's date. So today is 25th November 2020. Like this, write down the date. And after writing the date, you have to write classwork here. Like this. Clear? So now this is your classwork. Look at the picture, trace its name and say aloud. So you have to write all these words like moon, goose, broom, stool, spoon, balloon. So you have to trace these words. Now after that, what we are going to do? We are going to do this reading. So all of you start reading with me now. Food. Say the word loudly. Food. Then next, good. See, whenever you do some work, I always appreciate ना, मम्मा भी बोलती है good बेटा, very good. So good. Hood. Wood. Boot. Hoof. Loop. Look. Noon. School. So these are the words that we are much familiar with. We are using them. We know them, isn't it? So you have to read these words. You are going to read these words as well. Now next is see the picture and complete the sentences. So you have to complete these sentences using what these pictures are. The dash is in the sky. So what is in the sky? Moon. Give me a, तो ये क्या दे रहा है? What he is asking for? Spoon. Very good. A man is on a, see this is man. He is standing on stool, isn't it? So these are the words you are going to write here. This is all about your today's classwork. Now what is your homework? So class, for homework, you are going to write double O sound words in your notebook. Clear? So one thing that you have to do first is write today's date. So what is the date, class? Again we are going to write the date here. 25th November 2020. This is your today's date, and mention HW here because it's your homework. So you are going to mention HW. Is that clear to all? Sorry for this. Now, what is the next thing we are going to do? You will write the topic double O words, and after this, you are going to draw these words here. Is that clear to all? You are going to draw these words here, pictures here. And after drawing these pictures, we are going to write the name. So what is it? It's a moon. So how we are going to write? Moon. Isn't it? Next, what is this? Broom. So we are going to write broom. Now what is this? Spoon. So you are going to write spoon. What's it? What this picture is? It's a stool. Stool. Next we have balloon. Yes. Balloon. What is it? Wool. Yes. Wool. What is it? Yes, your book. So we are going to write book. Understood, class? So these are the words, different double O words that you are going to write in your notebook, and also you are going to draw these pictures. And don't write it only once, you are going to write it for 3 times. Is that clear to all? So class, you have understood how you are going to do your today's work. Now, a part of your work, have you understood how we are going to spell or how we are going to pronounce the words that are having double O, or you can say double E, or any alphabet which is repeated? So, double E and double O is just one we have taken, two we have taken. But if you will see, there are a lot of words which are having other alphabets which are repeated. Like see, we have, अगर हम इसको बोले तो ball, isn't it? तो whenever any alphabet is repeated twice, what I want to tell you is जब भी कोई alphabet दो बार लिखा जाता है, the sound will stretch. उसकी जो sound है वो थोड़ा सा stretch करनी होती है. Is that clear to all? Now finish your work and share your work to me. Bye for now and please get ready for the next.